Okay, so I am making the dressing for my crunchy Asian salad. The salad dressing recipe is in my book, Skinny Chicks Eat Real Food. It's my cilantro chili lime dressing. I love making homemade dressings because they're so very fresh. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, tablespoon of lime juice. That's about a teaspoon of sesame oil, teaspoon of sriracha, soy sauce. I'm gonna whisk for a minute. Whisk it. Fresh cilantro. And then I'll put the sesame seeds on top. We are all done with my crunchy Asian salad. It's ready to go in the fridge. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You can check out ChristineAvanti.com for more information on my books and some other recipes and some fun health, wellness, and food tips. You can find me on Instagram at Christine_Avanti. Thanks for watching.